I recommend trying the Côtes-du-Rhône first, and this particular example is Chateau Maucoil. It's 2017 Côtes-du-Rhône Village. So we're in the southern Rhône Valley, which is primarily where 95% of the wines from the Rhône Valley come from. And it's mostly red wine, but there is white and rosés produced in this area as well. Now this is a grape which is primarily Grenache, but it's also allowed to blend. What I love about Grenache, and specifically this example, is that it really has this explosive nose of ripe red fruit. The color is quite dark. It's a little bit pink at the edge, but there's a lot of viscosity and a lot of concentration, and you smell that as well. Just red fruit that's overripe and slightly underripe as well. There's some orange zest, a lot of intense herbs, like you can imagine you're in the Mediterranean and you have this garrigue, this local landscape which is rugged, and you smell some of those green herbs in the wine. As you take a sip, it's so concentrated and intense, but at the same time smooth, juicy, delicious red wine. It's medium to full-bodied with a lot of generous fruit, but the acidity is fresh and the tannins are soft, and it's a long lingering wine. So while we call this the everyday wine of the pack, it's definitely over delivering in quality and in mouthfeel, feel, and in texture.